I done traveled down this road before. I done traveled down this road before.
Wish and pray.
I done traveled down this road before. I done traveled down this road before.
See where I'm from?
And I just wanna tell my side of the story. I just wanna tell my side of the story.
Prison sentence on occasion.
I just wanna tell my side of the story. I just wanna tell my side of the story.
What's going on, man? It's Brandon with Chatterbox Cafe. We out here doing a good old backyard cook. We got some beef ribs and we got some full spare ribs. I just went and grabbed some stuff from the grocery store. You guys can go grab this same stuff and do exactly what I'm doing at home. I'm gonna start off with these beef ribs. Gonna pull this membrane off just like we do the pork. And this towel, this is all I'll use this towel for, is to pull the membrane off the bag. I just hate using the paper towel and having to change my paper towel after each one. Again, these are just some pork and beef ribs that I grabbed from the grocery store. Come out here and do a little outdoor cook. We're gonna go ahead and take these beef and spare ribs that we seasoned with the SPG and throw them on. As you see, most of the time when I'm cooking ribs for the shop, I cook indirectly. With these, I'm gonna cook, a little higher up, but directly on top of the fire, just to kind of simulate what you would do in your backyard. A lot of people don't have offsets or reverse flow smokers, but they may just have an outdoor pit. So I'm gonna simulate what we would do if we were in the backyard on the smoker by putting it directly over the fire. Same thing with these beef ribs. mop sauce right here. Y'all know that good old backyard cooking, we do a whole lot of looking and flipping, you know what I'm saying? So got a nice crust on the back side of the ribs, flip them over. I'm gonna take some of our Carolina mop sauce in a squeeze bottle. Put that on there real light. See what these beef ribs are doing. Now these right here are the ones we hit with the SPG. These are the beef ribs with the brisket rub. These are the ribs with the C-Rack City. So you kind of see the variation in the color. Woo. Again, one little mop right there. Mop. Hey, again, it's that backyard. That backyard barbecue. Millie mop. Check these out. Might be able to stay right here. Millie mop. Carolina. Yeah, man. So far, so good. We're gonna flip them over and back and forth a few times. We're gonna set them to the side and let them steam, tenderize. Appetizers right there. That's what that is. Get some extra now. Thank you.
You speak Chinese or foreign big.
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Oh yeah.
You try beef rib?
I'm breaking the other one. Marshall, get back! Beat it up, beat it up!
You try one?
Ooh, that's good.
God damn! Come on, lift yourself. I don't want to swallow it. Damn good. Wow. Wow.
Thanks for tuning in to The Real on the Grill with Brandon Ellis here at Chatterbox. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, comment, share with your friends if you like what you watch. Follow the smoke.